Hi, my name is Sabrina and this is my game timer project. There was a problem I noticed while me, my friends, and my family were playing board games. All of the timers we used did not work very well. Some games come with an hourglass timer in them that you can use to flip and watch the sand to know when the time is up. These timers kind of work, the only problem is that you aren't able to reset the timer if for whatever reason you need to stop the timer halfway through. Instead, you have to wait for the sand to fall all the way through before you can start again. That is not very conducive to lots of games that you need those timers for. If you use a timer on your phone, then you run into the problem of whether or not the person with the phone has the sound on. I noticed that lots of times when we use someone's phone, the person wouldn't have their sound on the first few times that we used the timer, so the timer would go off, but we wouldn't hear it. Another useful feature for game timers is the ability to know how much time you have left. When you use somebody's phone for a timer, the person whose phone it is may know how much time is left, but the other people usually have no way of knowing. I created my project specifically to help users know how much time is left. I made my game timer using a Circuit Playground Express that is inside of here, some metal buttons, and some twist ties. The twist ties come up through the felt in a hole and they wrap around the buttons here, and that is how a signal is transferred from the buttons to the Circuit Playground Express. My game timer includes 4 different buttons, 3 on the top, so you can set it for 1 minute, 2 minutes, and 3 minutes, and 1 on the bottom to reset it if you ever need to stop the timer or change it to a different amount of time. To start the timers, you just need to push the button for the length of time that you want. When you push the button, a light will light up, signaling that the timer is going. Each length of time has a different color. Whenever there is 15 seconds left, the color of the lights will change, indicating that your time is almost up. When time is over, the lights will change to play a rainbow sequence and a small sound will go off. With all of these features, my game timer solves all of the problems that I have personally run into while playing games that require a timer. COVID-19 did affect my project some while I was making it. Instead of having my pick for who I could use as users for user testing, I had to rely on my friends and my family. I also had to be a little bit more proactive about learning how to do my project because I did not have that in-person help.